Hey, it's Simon Hill for Digital Trends at MWC in Barcelona, and we're here with ASUS to see the new ASUS Zenfone 5. And it might look a little bit familiar to you because of this characteristic notch on the top, which is very reminiscent of the iPhone 10. As you can see, the display looks gorgeous though. It has a 90% screen to body ratio, it's a 6.2 inch screen, full HD. And if we head in here, you can see it's an Android phone. ASUS has not included too much bloatware. In fact, they made a point of saying that it has all the standard Google apps as your main apps. We have a look around the side here. You've got the power button and the volume rocker. Over on the back, there's a fingerprint sensor. You'll see the dual camera lenses there. Main camera is 12 megapixels, and it's a Sony sensor. And the secondary one is 120-degree wide-angle lens. And inside this phone is a Snapdragon 636, 4GB of RAM, 64GB of storage. So this actually isn't the ASUS flagship. That is going to be the ASUS ASUS Zenfone 5Z or Z, which we'll see tomorrow. There's also a lower end phone, ASUS Zenfone 5 Lite. But you can clearly see what ASUS is going for with this design. It's a very nice looking phone, it's a very nice looking screen. We're not sure about pricing details or when it's going to be released just yet, but stay tuned to Digital Trends and we'll be reviewing this phone soon.